Hello everybody, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing an eye look. I'm going to be doing an eye look with the Profusion Temptress palette. I don't know what I'm going to do yet, but then we're going to do the face together and call it a day. I'm going to be using the NARS Tinted Smudge Proof base. I have this in the shade Light. And I'm just going to put that on the lids. I like the original NARS, the white one, but I wanted to use this one to see if it will cover, and it does. My discoloration, you can see what a huge difference that makes in the eye. I've just gone ahead and went in with a tinted base, and I went in with the L'Oreal Visible Lift Luminous Serum Tint. Any shade will do. That's amber, I have gold, and then I have pearl, and I have many more. I'm just going to set with this single shadow in Brulee just from the crease and above, so we don't have any sticking. I'm not going on the actual lid itself. So I don't know what I'm going to do, but we will start with the shade Courage right here, and I will take that and blend that right into the crease and all the way up to the brow bone, as I normally do. I have to say that shade, looking at it right here, it's really pigmented on the eye as opposed to just looking at it in the pan. These are so pigmented, and for $9.99, you really can't go wrong with Profusion. I love Profusion. Alright, going in with Ember now. Just going to place that right directly in the crease. I don't want to hide the other shade, so I'm going to stay right here, low in the crease. Just build this up, which it really doesn't need any building up. It's fine just the way it is. Really, really pigmented, very pretty. Now I'm going to pick up Alchemy on a nice blending brush, and I'm going to blend that all over the lid a couple times at first, just to diffuse with the other shades, and then I'm going to take it on my finger and just swipe, well, tap, and not really swipe, but tap this on the lid very, very lightly. I'm now going to take this deep brown shade called Champ, tap off the extra, and just start building this on the outer corner. It's pretty pigmented, but it does need to be built up a little bit. Relax my eye so that it gets right in the crease, and then wing that out a little bit. There's not any fallout on my face right now. The quality of, Profusion shadows is just impeccable. I love it. Then I'm going to take a little bit of Trouble, and I'm going to put it on the tip of my brush and on the edge of the brush. So edge of the brush for the outer corner, and the tip right for inside the crease. So I don't want it to be patchy. And then I'm going to blend it outward. It's okay if this gets a little messy right now. So we're going to clean it up. I just want a little bit of that black. It's almost like a charcoal. Out here. And then taking a makeup wipe, and I'm just going to wipe it that way, so that we're looking pretty even now. Alright, then what we're going to do is take Supernatural right here, and we're going to start stacking that right on the middle of the lid, going in almost to the corner, but leaving it blank. So going in with that, and I liked it like this, but I wanted it a little extra oomph. So I went in with Geode and went right on top of that, which is gorgeous. And these are dry shadows. Then I'm going in to Poise and taking that and putting that right on that inner third. Just layering it up till it looks nice. And after this, I'm going to put on my Honey Lashes from Cosmic Lashes. If you want to save 20%, you can use my code. The link to the site is down in the description bar. Alright, you guys, here is the lash in the style Honey from Cosmic Lashes. Link is in the description box. I love these. I trimmed mine a little too short. They only need a tiny bit of trimming. Like I said, they're pretty dramatic, but they're not overpowering. They're not heavy at all. They're very lightweight. And like I said, those Kala slanted tweezers is the only way I can put lashes on now. I don't know how I did it before. My lash would always pop up. They always came off. They never stayed in place. So yeah, basically it's a lifesaver. And they're sold out all the time now. I saw it on there last time I ordered. I was going to order more, and they were completely sold out. So they must be popular for a reason. Alright guys, I know I look weird. I'm going with the Urban Decay Stay Naked Foundation in 40 CP. I think I did a review on this as well, and I didn't like it, and I don't know. I feel like I should, and I have since then, tested a foundation in my right shade for a period of days before uploading a review on it, just because I like this foundation a lot. It's matte, but it's full coverage. It's not a very flat matte. It's sort of a demi matte. It's really, really nice coverage. Very lightweight. All right, I ordered from the ColourPop website again, and again, I think it's going to be way too light. Okay, I'm just going to put a little bit to brighten the inner corner. I ordered the No Filter Concealer in Fair 06. I don't know what I was thinking. But then I'm going to go in with the Milk Makeup Flex Concealer. This is much better. So I'm going to kind of mix that in. Sorry, I had to run upstairs. Literally shut my dogs up. I try to because my daughter's sleeping, so that's great. She's going to be up any second now. I'm almost out of this concealer. I don't feel like I used any of it, but I guess I did. I've heard a lot of good things about this, but I haven't used it in so long. Okay, I have a question. For everyone that likes the, what is it? Super Stay Concealer, tell me that it doesn't come with like anything inside of the box or whatever, the little thing that it comes in, the concealer. I feel like it's always empty and dry. Does anybody else experience that? So basically I just put the ColourPop to brighten my inner corner and the milk for the rest. And I find that that's a really good combination. Looking good. I'm going to brighten the sides of my nose. That's a contouring trick. Looking good. Surely you know what I'm going to say. Number 7 to set that all down. And look at that. It nearly is a filter for the under eye. It's amazing. And then to set the rest of the face, I'm going with the Flower Beauty Light Illusion Powder Foundation. So yeah, Flower Beauty Light Illusion, and I'm in beige. Just going to take that with my It Cosmetics brush, like I always do. If it's loud upstairs, my daughter just got up and my husband's with her and the dogs are going nuts. Like, I'm sure you can hear that right now. Those are the dogs. So overall, looking really smooth, polished. What I'm going to do now to set this all in and make it last all day is I'm going to take the Fourth Ray Glisten Up Mist, spray my face, let that dry, and then we'll go in. I'll do the lower lash line, come back, and we'll do the rest of the face. Going in with a coat of the Lily Lashes Triple X Mascara. I love this. It's super lengthening. It's a really nice soft brush. I'm sure if I had long or somewhat decent upper lashes that it would do a really good job. I want to try this all by itself, like with a no makeup kind of look. So for the shadow on the lower lash line, I just went in with these two, Courage and Ember, because I didn't want to distract or detract from the look we have going on the upper eye, which I really love. Oh, and for liquid liner, I went in with the Profusion Wing It liner. Going in with the Too Faced Sweetheart bronzer and just warming up the face. I love this bronzer. It's got a little bit of sheen in it. Really, really flattering. And then I'm going to perfect the nose contour with my favorite. This is from Shop Miss A. It's a different brand. It is the brand Urban Studio Pro Contour 208. Perfect for the nose contour and under the lip and also the jaw. For blush, I'm going to go in with this e.l.f. blush. If you guys have seen this at the store, let me know. So this is from e.l.f. It's called Glowy Rose. Now it's got shimmer in it and it's really very vibrant. So it just looks like this, but it's super like hot pink. It's got some nice gold flecks in it. And look at the sheen it gives. It's so incredibly gorgeous. So if you didn't want to wear a highlight one day, you could totally just bring the blush way up here, like I'm doing now. And look at that tone. It is unbelievably gorgeous. Oh my word. This blush is everything. So it's a specific type of blush. You might only be able to get it on the website. But I put blush everywhere because I love blush so much. And it's the first thing to fade, so why not kind of load up on it? That is the shade of blush, Glowy Rose. I'm obsessed. All right, before I go with highlight, I'm going to take this big powder brush from ColourPop. It's the F18 and go in with the Laura Mercier Candle Glow Sheer Perfecting Powder in the shade 1. It's like an ambient powder. It's almost like, you know, the Jaclyn Hill powder and the other one from Clinique that I have. It just goes over the skin and gives you a slight radiance. Powder everything down. Sort of make it all mixed together. Look really nice and chic. Obsessed. All right, for highlighter, I dug into that little kit. I'm going in with the Hustla Baby highlighter from Fenty Beauty. Oh my goodness. This is stunning. Wow, blinding. Let's do our inner corners with that. That is so gorgeous. And also the brow bone. Let's hit that. Whoops, put a little too much, but this is absolutely stunning. And it's in those holiday kits. I got that. It's a new one. It's just arrived, so I would get it while you can. It's really inexpensive. I like to put a little bit right here on my nose, right there, the bridge. Okay, for lips. Lips. Of course, you guys know I went in with Milani Most Natural, and I'm going with this Tom Ford lipstick in Casablanca 03. So it just kind of looks like this. It looks really promising. I am going out of my comfort zone here. That is so pretty. I was hoping I would hate this, so I wouldn't have to buy it when I run out. But now I think I'm going to have to. That is so stunning. Okay, I'm going to do my hair, come back, and we'll show you the final look after we set our face with, of course, the Glam Glow Glow Setter, my favorite. So I will be right back. Alrighty guys, here's the final look. I changed my shirt because of the lipstick. I'm obsessed with this lipstick, guys. Oh my gosh, I really did not want to like it, this Tom Ford lipstick, but I love it. It's something different for me, and it's beautiful. It's a really nice formula. So this is a final look, the eye look, using the Temptress palette from Profusion. And again, here's a look at that Tom Ford lipstick. It is so beautiful. Oh my goodness, it is in the shade Casablanca. So overall, I love how this look turned out. The eyes look beautiful. And these eyelashes really, really accentuate the most beautiful aspects of this eye look. I love that highlighter. I love the Clinique all over dusting. If you guys want a dupe for the Jaclyn Hill, go for the Clinique all over powder and or the Laura Mercier. It's honestly the exact same thing. It's just cheaper Anyway, those are my two faves other than the Jaclyn Hill one. I haven't really been playing with that one anymore. I really stick to my Clinique, and it's the uplighting illuminating powder, or like I said, the sheer candle glow from Laura Mercier. So you guys, I hope you found this video helpful. I hope you loved it. Let me know in the comments what you think about this look. And yeah, I love you guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.